Have you converted your Word to PDF and lost the original file? Or you have a PDF file from another person and you want to make some changes? You found the perfect video for that. Let's look at how to convert your PDF back into Word and edit it as you want it to. And which program knows Word files better than Word itself? Well, that's a tricky question, and the answer is Word itself. Yes, you heard correctly. We'll use Microsoft Word to convert the PDF back, and the whole process is actually very simple. Now, I'm using Mac, but it works equally well on Windows as well, so don't worry if you don't have a Mac, it'll work just fine as well. So to convert my file, I can open Word, and I can click on File here at the top, click on Open, then I can go and search my computer for the file that I want to convert back into Word format. In my example, this is this menu.pdf. Once I have that, I can click on Open, and as you can see, we're done actually. Now, as you can see, this document is actually has 2 pages. The thing with this process, it doesn't work 100%. PDF and Word file formats are much different from each other. Obviously, the output Word document will look differently than the original PDF document. But what you do get is you get all the text that's in the PDF and you can edit it just as you want. And you can, let's say I want to remove that. And yeah, let me just remove this whole text. And as you can see, it captured the correct font, which was in my original document. Let me just remove this first page, which was added by mistake by Word. Okay, now as you can see, you can make this document beautiful again in Word using the formatting tricks you already know. The formatting won't look exactly as it did in the PDF, but Word will try to get as close to that as possible. And now, as you have this file open in Word, what you can do is just go to File and Save. And what this will allow you to do is just save this file as docx, and this is exactly what we want. So I can go ahead, click on Save, and now this has been converted to Word. Now, if after I do my changes, I can also go ahead and just convert this document back to PDF. So I can just go to File, click on Save As, and this will allow me to go and change the extension to PDF. And I will rename this file to menu2 so that I don't overwrite my original file, and I can just click on Export, and this will give me back this will create another PDF. Obviously has different formatting than the original file, but they do look quite similar. One extra tip for Windows users, once you have your document located and your Word open, you can just drag and drop the document straight into Word, and this will just convert it just as it did on a Mac. And as you can see, the formatting is a bit off here too. So there are no real differences in formatting and in the performance. It's just how the interface looks like and the overall feeling as you know it on Windows and on a Mac. Now, as you've seen yourself, this process doesn't work in all the situations and the output formatting can look differently. But hey, you can edit it and make it look good again with Word. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please show that by clicking the like button and also click the subscribe button so you don't miss any other tricks which I'll show in my upcoming videos. But that's all for today. Take care and have a nice day. Bye.